Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Baru. Are you ready to put the fun in Fundations? We have been learning about glued or welded sounds. Now remember, the sounds are so close together, that's why we call them glued or welded. Sometimes when this happens, the letters may not sound like they normally would. With Miss Hispanic, you learned a lot of NG glued sounds. But this is not ang, right? This is A-N-G, fang, ang. Try that at home. Whoa, Miss Hispanic, you're scaring me. This week, we're going to learn some NK glued sounds. This is not no. This is A-N-K, bank, ank, cha-ching. Try that at home. You've already learned this one. I-N-G, ring, ing. Let's learn I-N-K. I-N-K, pink, ink. Just like pink cotton candy. My personal favorite, O-N-G, song, ong. Here's our new NK glued sound. O-N-K, honk, onk. Let's review. U-N-G, lung, ung. In and out, breathe in and out. Deep breaths, Miss Hispanic. Here's a new NK glued sound. U-N-K, junk, unk. Let's take a closer look at all of our glued sounds that we learned these past couple of weeks. Notice that the glued sounds on this side all end with NG. The glued sounds on this side end with NK. Notice the first two start with A. The next two start with an I, I-N-G, I-N-K, then an O, and then a U. So just like the NG glued sounds, we do not have an NK glued sound for the vowel E. We have one for A, I, O, and U. Sorry, E. Let's practice tapping and reading words with those green glued sounds. Remember, we also need glued fingers. Here we go. Tappers up. B, ank, bank. Like a piggy bank. Or, do you recognize this picture? This is an image of a bank located in Beaver. Tappers up. Let's read another word. Y, ank. Y, ank. Check out this video of a dog who yanks the little boy off of his sled. Squirrel. Now it's your turn to read some words with glued sounds. Pause the video and try this word. Did you get bonk? Bonk. Pause the video and try another. Did you get wink? Pause the video and try one more. Did you get chunk. Ooh, this word has a digraph and the glued sound. U-N-K, junk, unk. Just like chunks of chocolate chips in your cookie dough. Mmm. Pause the video and grab your Fundation sheet, dry erase marker, and eraser. Now that we can read words with glued sounds, it's time for us to practice spelling words with these NK glued sounds. Your first word is echo, junk. Now junk could be like garbage, or it could be junk food. Maybe food that's not so healthy to eat, but yummy in your tummy. All right, let's tap it. J-unk. Ooh, I hope that you use glued fingers. J, I hear J, jug, J. And then unk, I hear, of course, U-N-K, junk, unk. And don't forget to box your glued sound. I want you to try the next two by yourself, and then when you're ready to check your work, you can simply hit play. The second word is tank, like a fish tank. Is that Miss Hispanic? Or like a tank that they have in the army. And the third word is think. Think. Let's check your work. Tank. T. Ank. I hear A-N-K. Bank, ank, cha-ching. And don't forget to box your glued sound. And then think is a good word. The digraph T-H. Thumb, and then ink. I-N-K, pink, ink. So not only do we need to remember to box our glued sound, but we should also underline our digraph TH. Fabulous job, first grade.